Welcome everyone to our Sixth Form Assembly for the week commencing the 22nd of February. I hope everyone had a really enjoyable and relaxing half term. I just want to remind everyone of some upcoming events. So on Thursday the 11th of March at 6 p.m. we'll be holding a student finance webinar for Year 13 parents and students. Now during this webinar we have Gareth Jones from Cardiff Metropolitan University who will be leading the session, and he'll be giving valuable information on tuition fees, student loans, bursaries and the variety of grants available. So if you would like to attend this event, all you have to do is book a place on their Eventbrite site, and I've already emailed details of this several times. Now to make the most out of this webinar, we recommend that you watch the student finance video that is on our YouTube channel. This has been made by Student Finance Wales and it contains key information about applying for student finance. Now over the last few weeks I've been sending out lots and lots of emails about apprenticeship opportunities. This is because if you're a Year 13 student, this is the time of year that you should be applying for apprenticeship opportunities, as you'll be starting these opportunities in September. Now Cardiff Council have lots of opportunities available, and they sent an email out recently which I've forwarded to you, which details some of these opportunities. So you can see here's just two examples of the opportunities they have on offer. They have corporate trainee project officer opportunities which start around £17,000 a year, and they have corporate apprenticeship opportunities in their marketing and engagement departments. So please check your emails for details of how to apply for these apprenticeship opportunities, and also note that the corporate apprenticeship opportunity has a closing date of the 23rd of February, so you really need to get your application sorted as soon as possible. Now another fantastic opportunity that I've emailed details about recently is this data analytics apprenticeship from the Office for National Statistics, which is a level 4 apprenticeship. Remember that the qualifications you're studying at Sixth Form are level 3, so this apprenticeship builds on them as it's level 4. Now this apprenticeship starts at £22,500 a year, and it's a 2-year apprenticeship, and it's a route into the civil service and the government statistical service, and it's an excellent opportunity, so please check your emails for this. Now this apprenticeship has a closing date of the 16th of March, and you can find details of this in your emails and also on the Careers Wales website. Now in my assemblies I like to feature companies who are advertising apprenticeship opportunities, and I've emailed out this opportunity recently from Facebook. They are advertising a variety of apprenticeship roles. For example, they have apprenticeship opportunities in their support tech teams. They also have software engineering apprenticeships, so please check your emails for details on how to apply for these. Now another company that offer a range of apprenticeship opportunities is KPMG. They offer audit apprenticeships, and these require a minimum of 112 UCAS points, which equates to 2 Bs and a C at A level or equivalent qualifications. Remember, if you're studying BTECs and you get a distinction star, that is worth 56 points. If you get a distinction, it's worth 48, and if you get a merit, it's worth 32. Now, if you want to apply for the KPMG's audit apprenticeship program, you will also need equivalent of 5 GCSEs, including a grade B at mathematics and English language. Now, as I mentioned previously, IBM are another company who are currently advertising apprenticeship opportunities. They have higher apprenticeship opportunities that start around £20,000 a year, and they tend to be level 4, level 5 upwards. And these apprenticeship opportunities build on the level 3 qualifications you've studied at Sixth Form. They also have a range of degree apprenticeships which are studied in partnership with the University of Exeter and Manchester Metropolitan University. And these apprenticeships include chartered business degree apprenticeships, design degree apprenticeships, and digital and technology solutions degree apprenticeships. So again, if you're interested in these, check your emails and check the IBM website for details of how to apply. Now another company offering apprenticeship opportunities is the BMW Group, and they have business apprenticeships, and the closing date to apply for these is the 14th of March 2021. Now as part of this apprenticeship program, you will learn about sales and marketing, logistics, finance, purchasing, and it's a 3.5-year program, and you study at college 1 day a week, and you get support to enable you to achieve a foundation degree in business management, and you can top this up to a full degree subject to performance. Now, as I mentioned previously, GSK are offering a range of apprenticeships. They're offering degree apprenticeships, for example, supply chain apprenticeships, chemical engineering apprenticeships, and data science degree apprenticeships. And they're also offering a range of higher apprenticeships where you work for a company and you don't study for a degree. And these are engineering apprenticeships and finance apprenticeships and lab science apprenticeships, pharmaceutical apprenticeships, etc. So check out the GSK website and check your emails for details of how to apply for these. So over the next few weeks, there are some great events for students in Year 12 and Year 13 to help them explore different careers and courses. And UK University and Apprenticeship Search are holding a virtual fair on Wednesday the 17th of March, and it runs from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Now, even though this event is some way off, they already have 100 universities, colleges and apprenticeship providers joining them. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this event. These are always excellent. I get such great feedback from the students who attend them. And what's particularly good about this event is you get the opportunity to talk to employers and universities at the same event, and therefore you can compare options. Now, in the same week, we have What Careers Live and What University Live, and this year it's a virtual event. It runs on Friday the 19th of March and Saturday the 20th of March. Normally this event is held at the NEC and we run a trip to it every year. Now, this event is one of the biggest careers fairs in the whole of the UK. It's an excellent opportunity to talk to representatives from major companies and universities to learn more about the different opportunities they have to offer. So you can check out their website and you'll have a full list of the different organisations, companies and universities that are taking part. You'll also be able to find out details of the different workshops that they're running throughout the Friday and the Saturday. These workshops will help you with putting together a CV and also writing personal statements and preparing job applications. Now, there are lots of great events taking place to help students explore different subjects and careers, and one of the events that I would recommend you attending is Science in Health. This event is run by Cardiff University. It's a brilliant event that takes place on the 10th and 11th of March. It's virtual this year. Now, if you're a student who's interested in science or medicine or nursing, dentistry, physio, pharmacy or any healthcare career, this is a great opportunity to attend workshops and to talk to researchers and lecturers to help you explore the subjects, and it will give you a competitive edge when making applications for these different courses and careers. Now, at the moment, because of COVID, it's very difficult for students to obtain work experience, and lots of organisations and companies realise this and are now offering virtual opportunities. So, for example, there's a company called Medic Mentor who are offering medicine virtual work experience and dentistry virtual work experience, and also veterinary science virtual work experience opportunities. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now, if you're a student who's interested in law, I would recommend that you check out the Ledlet Summer School scheme. Now, this scheme allows you to shadow barristers, judges, solicitors, legal executives, etc. And it's a brilliant opportunity. They have 10 places available in Cardiff and 10 in London. And last year, one of our students, Lydia, was successful in gaining a place on the scheme, and she's told me that it was a brilliant scheme and it's really helped her prepare applications for law. So I would recommend you check out this scheme, and the closing date is this week if you're interested in applying. Now, if you're interested in law or business or policing, politics or criminology, please check your emails for details of the University of Law Virtual Explore series. The University of Law are offering a series of webinars in March which will help you to explore these different subjects, and they have Q&A panels and talks and other activities taking place throughout March. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now, if you're a student who's thinking of applying to Oxford or Cambridge University, please check out the Oxford and Cambridge student conferences. These conferences are taking place virtual this year and they take place in March. There'll be a brilliant opportunity for you to get advice on choosing colleges, choosing courses, making applications, writing personal statements, preparing for interviews, preparing for entrance exams, etc. So this event is a must for anyone who's considering applying for Oxbridge. Please check your emails and sign up as soon as possible because places are limited. Now, lots of colleges at Oxford and Cambridge are offering great taster events at the moment and great masterclasses. One such college that is offering these sorts of courses is Christ College, Cambridge. They have Year 12 taster courses and the deadline for applying is this week. They have events for people interested in biological sciences, economics, English, theology and history. So please check your emails for details of how to apply. Now, the biggest summer school program that Oxford University offer is called the Unique Summer School Program, and applications are open at the moment and they close at 11 p.m. on the 15th of March. So please check your emails for details of how to apply for this scheme. It's a brilliant scheme and they have summer schools for a range of subjects that they offer at Oxford. Now, it's really important for Year 12 and Year 13 students to continue to explore different subjects and careers during their time at sixth form. And on Thursday the 25th of February at 5 p.m. we have a maths webinar taking place. Dr. Randall Wright, who is an associate professor at Swansea University, will be talking about maths degrees and the research that Swansea University are doing. He'll also talk about what types of careers you can have with a maths degree, and he'll be giving you a taster lecture on the following topic. He'll be discussing how insurance companies calculate insurance premiums and the mathematics involved with this and how this can go wrong. So if you're interested in maths, please make every effort to attend this webinar. It takes place at 5 p.m. on Thursday. We also have a great webinar on Tuesday, March the 2nd from the Welsh Ambulance Service, and they'll be talking about the different careers and opportunities available through the Welsh Ambulance Service. Now, during this talk, they'll also be focusing on the role of a paramedic. So if you're a student who's interested in applying for any sort of healthcare career, whether that be medicine, nursing, dentistry, pharmacy, etc., we recommend you attend this event because it's vital you understand the role of a paramedic, and this is a great opportunity to learn that and to develop your subject knowledge in preparation for your applications. Now, we have 2 more webinars coming up in March. We have a chemistry masterclass taking place on Thursday the 4th of March at 5 p.m. We have Dr. Marcello Bassetto, who will be giving a talk on the following topic, chemistry for the discovery of new antiviral medicines. And this will be a fantastic talk for anyone interested in chemistry, pharmacy, medicine, pharmacology, dentistry and healthcare careers. So please check your emails to sign up for this. We also have a fantastic talk about art and design courses and the different career opportunities available for students who study art and design courses, and this is from Glyndŵr University, and this takes place on Tuesday the 9th of March at 5 p.m. So if you're a student studying art or product design or textiles, or just a student who's interested in applying for design courses and design careers in the future, please make every effort to attend this talk. Now, in addition to the webinars that we're running at Radyr, there are lots of university webinars taking place which encourage students to explore their subject and to explore different career opportunities. And USW are holding a series of Monday masterclasses, and this week they have masterclasses for students interested in biology, youth and community work, fashion and engineering. And next week they have webinars for counselling, maths and sports webinars focusing on strength and conditioning. And these take place every Monday, so please check your emails for details of these. Now, USW are holding a series of events in March to coincide with British Science Week. They will have webinars on career opportunities in aerospace. They'll have webinars talking about careers in mathematics. They'll have geology, chemistry, STEM webinars, computing, programming webinars. They'll have apprenticeship webinars, forensic webinars, etc. So please check out your emails for details of how to sign up for these. And if you want to learn more, please check out the University of South Wales Schools Liaison Team website, which has a full programme of the events taking place. Now, another university who are offering great events for sixth formers at the moment is University of Wales Trinity St David. They offer subject webinars in a whole range of subjects, ranging from computing, business, finance, art, nursing, health and social care, engineering, etc. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. So I just want to finish with two final opportunities. The first is an opportunity for Year 12 students, and it's the PwC Virtual Insight Week. And this is a virtual work experience program which takes place in July. Now, the deadline for applying for this is the 14th of March, and this is a fantastic program. So if you're interested in business, technology, accounting, etc., this is a great opportunity, and it's suitable for students interested in computer science, business, mathematics, etc. Now, the final opportunity I want to mention is an opportunity for you to be part of the Learner Advisory Group being put together by Qualifications Wales. They are looking for students aged between 14 and 21 to help them as they shape the new qualifications for Wales. So this is a fantastic opportunity that would look great on a CV or a personal statement. So please check your emails for details of how to apply for this. So that concludes this video assembly. Hope everyone has a great week, and please everyone keep checking your emails so you don't miss out on these great opportunities.